Maya and Momo. Today, they're on a mission to explore the amazing world of data. Data is all around us. Numbers, words, pictures, and even sounds. Without data, AI wouldn't know what to do. Data helps computers understand patterns and make decisions. It's like the key that unlocks smart technology. Data can exist in various forms. Sometimes it's neatly organized in tables or spreadsheets. This is called structured data. Other times, it's a bit scattered, like a collection of photos. This is unstructured data. Sorting data into a neat and structured format makes it easier for us to understand. Imagine you're in a library. If a pile of books in a library are organized on shelves, finding what you need becomes much easier. But if they're scattered everywhere, it becomes hard to manage. The same thing happens when we structure data into a table. Now that we understand what data is, let's learn about a dataset. A dataset is filled with information, like pictures, tables, or words, that can be used to train machines. A tabular dataset has rows and columns. Each row provides details about a student, while each column represents a specific category like height or favorite color. To start working with data, the first step is to gather it. One great place to find datasets is Kaggle, a website full of interesting data for all kinds of projects. Once you find a dataset that matches your interests or problem, you can download it and start exploring the data. Sometimes, the data we collect isn't always perfect. It might have errors or missing parts. Data pre-processing techniques are used to fix these issues, and the first step is cleaning the data to correct errors. For example, if there's a typing mistake in the data, like bula instead of blue, it needs to be corrected to make the data accurate. Data is sometimes like a puzzle. It can have missing values, like blank spaces in a table. Handling these gaps is important to ensure accurate analysis and complete the puzzle. One method for filling missing values is to replace them with the average of the data in that column. Now our puzzle is complete. After handling missing values, the next issue is outliers. Outliers are data points that are different from the rest. For example, if most students are between 5 and 6 feet tall, but one student is 9 feet tall, there was probably a mistake in the data collection process and this student's height was recorded incorrectly. This value is an outlier and it should be removed from this dataset. Data transformation is the next step. It's about changing the way data is presented to make it more understandable. For example, converting test scores into letter grades. Transforming scores into grades helps to see how well students performed. Now it's time to explore the data. We look at charts and graphs to find patterns and discover new things. We can create charts and find averages from the data to help us understand it better. Now we've explored the world of data, from gathering and cleaning it, to transforming and analyzing it. Data has many stories waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, and see what amazing things you can find.